Welcome everyone back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. Even though we're coming into spring is actually here, for me, hot cereal never goes out of style. I just love it. And I'm going to give you a tip on how to make it more healthy, more whole food oriented, and also more cost effective. So what I have here brewing on my stove is unsweetened almond milk with brown rice. Check that out. I use actual brown rice because I grew up on cream of wheat, which I loved. I loved the smooth, creamy consistency of it. But now I'm gluten-free, so I make my version of it with brown rice. I've added also a little vanilla because that lifts the flavor. And instead of sugar, because my mom always used to use brown sugar, well now, today, I use dried fruit. And, one more. These are dates. You can use figs, raisins, even cranberries, whatever floats your boat. These are going to continue to simmer. They'll soak up more milk. I know this looks soupy, but it'll actually end up working because I'm also going to add, in addition to these spices, which today I'm going to do cardamom and nutmeg, I also like to throw in, just before blending in the Vitamix, some chia seeds or ground flaxseed just to up the nutrition. It's so delicious. It's wonderful. And also, this is ginger tea. I usually have ginger on hand. It's a great condiment in stir fries, and it's a wonderful tea. Very, very cleansing. And if you're a kapha like me with a slow metabolism, it kind of builds the engine, gets it going a little better, and it's just wonderful. Worth the effort. So there you go. Have a happy, oh, by the way, wanted to share this. You know, I'm not some people say, oh, I'm such an ice cream eater at night because it's comforting. Try this. Well, you know, when I really want some comfort at night, especially warm, soothing, this is nutritional. Yes, it's carbs, but you know what? Sometimes when you're needing a treat, you have to allow it. Because for me, if I don't, I'll just keep obsessing and obsessing and obsessing. So allow. Be a little more kind, you know, and make it nutritional. I'm not saying escape eat, but this is a great way to just have a little snack at night. You know, nobody really wants to go to bed hungry, and this will comfort you, believe me, like ice cream never could. So give it a shot. Tell me if you like it. Hit me up here with questions or at stacymorris.com. Bon appetit. So I'm back. Want to show you how it actually works. I know it's not very conventional to do these many steps in hot cereal, but I'm so passionate about it. This is all soft now. The dates are soft. Everything's blended. Pouring it into the Vitamix, and you do need a rather sturdy blender for this. And this is the Vitamix beaker for solids. We're going to blend it. It takes about a minute, that's all. Come on over and watch me. Okay, so we're going to just... Oops, forgot one thing. It's okay. This is the secret sauce to adding more health, okay? Hemp hearts. All right, so I do about 2 tablespoons. These have tons of omega-3 acids, fats in them, and it's like eating salmon. If you're not a big salmon fan, this is a great way to get the omega-3s. I usually add that to hot cereal. That or ground flax. Here we go again. That's it. Now we're going to bowl it up. We're not going to plate it. We're going to bowl it. I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite comfort foods. Like I said, sometimes it's a breakfast. Look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous. It's cream of rice, literally. And that's it. That's all it takes. I make extra because it can be frozen. You can freeze this. I recommend making bigger batches. So give it a try, even if you don't have a Vitamix. It's so healthy, it's so comforting, and I think it might really change your mind about hot cereal. Bon appetit.